Hey guys, let's fix this issue quickly. So in the first step, we need to go to search bar and type here simply task manager, and then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to click on run new task and then select the browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder, then go for the system32 folder. So here it is, double click on it to open it and then find out cmd file. Keep scrolling down. Here we are. Okay, so select it and click on open and check this box and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands. So close this background window and then type some commands like netsh space winsock reset and hit enter. Then type ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. Then type here ipconfig space / renew and hit enter. So this will take some time to complete the procedure, around 1 to 2 minutes. Then simply type here netsh space int space ip space reset and hit enter. And once done, we need to restart the computer to complete the action. Before restarting process, type exit to close this window and simply go to the search bar and type here device manager, then click here. And we need to update the network adapters. So expand these, right click on the particular device, click on properties, go to drivers tab, select update driver. You can select the second option, check this one and click on next. Once done, Windows has successfully updated the drivers. Now close all windows one by one and simply restart the system. You can also check out our description or pin comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a great way to fix this issue. So don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.